Hello!
Hi, mga tots.
mga sis!
Friends,
Yes.
toong okay talaga as in touch.
Yes po!
Hali kayo, kumanta tayo at sumayaw. Bumili ba kayo ng mga damit nyo? Girls,
Hindi.
sa mga
Hindi. Wala
Luma
pang
na.
bili.
Tingeta,
Hindi po. Kasi hindi sa bigay.
Jewel,
Yes.
baka nang nakikita ko palagi suot yung pag nag-i-snore kayo.
Okay lang.
Ganun
yan.
talaga.
Tingnan nyo ako, oh. Kami ni Bro Fred.
Sana all.
Mahirap kami, ha? Kayo, yayaman nyo.
Eddie, wow.
Wala magagawa. Kumanta tayo, sumayaw. Maglibang dito. Anong gagawin natin? Makisali sa mga chismosa, hindi ko.
Hindi.
Marites. Dito wala. Masaya.
Yes.
Oo, isigla pa ang ating
Enjoy life.
Okay. Ready?
Ready!
Everybody.
I have a band of men and all they do is pray for me. They come from miles around to hear and play a melody. Beneath the stars, my 10 guitars will play a song for you. And if you're with the one you love,
Okay, ang sabi
this
dito.
is what
kaya
you
magkanta tayo.
do.
Everybody.
Oh, dance, dance, dance to my 10 guitars. And very soon you know just where you are. Through the eyes of love you'll see 1,000 stars. When you dance, dance, dance to my 10 guitars.
Okay, kunyari, mag-disco tayo, ah. Tapos sasabihin ni Evelyn, Bro Fred, may I dance with you?
Oh yes!
Kayo nga, Bro Fred. And Evelyn, sayo nga kayo. Okay. Para lumabas
Sayaw lang pala eh.
Tignan nga natin.
Ayan. Tama na ba yun?
Yun!
Yung gagaling mo. Bro Fred and Antonieta.
There you go.
Sige! Yun! Wow! Galing naman! Oh.
Bro Fred and Evelyn.
Yoo-hoo. Okay na yan.
Grabe, Bro Fred. Isinayaw mo yan tatlo. Pakakainin mo yan.
Mukhang ginutom nga sa lang
Order ka ng maraming fried chicken.
Lagot tayo dyan!
At tayo, Antonieta.
Okay. Alright.
Yun na yung sayaw mo.
Wow! Galing!
Jewel,
Sure.
Wow!
Evelyn.
Alright.
Okay, girls.
Guitars are made for love, my band of men will always say. So give them all a pretty girl and they will start to play. Beneath the stars, my 10 guitars will play a song for you. And if you're with the one you love, this is what you do.
Everybody.
Oh, dance, dance, dance to my 10 guitars. And very soon you know just where you are. Through the eyes of love you'll see 1,000 stars. When you dance, dance, dance to my 10 guitars.
Girls,
Let me tell you now.
Dance, dance, dance to my 10 guitars.
Come on everybody!
Dance, dance, dance to my 10 guitars.
hey. Tayo na lang magmaritisan.
Sure.
Sige, saan mo binili ang damit mo?
Ako? Yan lang.
Kaano yan?
Mura lang to. Tag 1 real.
Ikaw, Antonieta.
Wala nga. Bigay lang.
Made in ano yan? Made in imported. Evelyn,
Nakita eh.
Evelyn, alam ko na huwag ka na magsalita. Sa 5, 10, 15 reals yan. Bro, Fred, ukay-ukay.
Hindi, sila kita sa kapit.
Uy, maganda ko kayo kayo.
Ingay.
Ako ito binili ko sa ano?
Saan? Sa
Family
hardware?
food.
Sa 5, 10, 15. Yung kasi murang tindahan dito sa Qatar. Oo. 10, 15 years, mamimili ka lang. Okay ka lang na gano'n, no? Kung ma-okay mo, lumatapon mo. Masaya ba kayo?
Of course.
Baka malungkot kayo. Ano pa bang kanta gusto niyo gawin ko? Tinodo ko na nga.
Alright, thank you for watching.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.